Okay, this exercise is to work out the profile of a cutter, and the cutter looks like something like that. It's a spindle cutter, and we've got a blade cutting at an angle, and that's the critical thing, that it's cutting at an angle. And the blades will look like this, and if we have a molding we want to cut, because the blade is cutting at an angle, it's not going to be the exact same shape as the molding. So here we have a circular molding here, and this is going to be a slightly elliptical shape. So let's see how we do this. So here we have our spindle, and this is our molding, and this is our blade at an angle. And if we just hide the spindle for a second, we can see that this blade is at an angle and it's spinning around and cutting into a piece of timber to make this molding. So this is our spindle. We can see its circular form in plan. We can see where the position of the blade is, and this is the profile of our molding. The molding is shown in a section. Okay, so in order to start off, what we have to do is we have to rotate this blade so that it's parallel to this molding. So to get its position in parallel, we draw a construction line from the center point of our spindle, and that's rotated around and rotated around here, and then we can take this line from the center of our spindle upwards, and that's the position of our blade. And you'll notice that this line here is the same as this line here, just rotated around, that's all. Then we can draw our vertical reference lines across, getting these vertical heights for our molding. There's the first one, the second one, and we're going across the last two. And then we bring these horizontal dimensions across. So our blade is cutting, the tip of the blade is cutting in at that point, and then the next point that the blade will cut at is here. So we bring that line up onto this reference line that's brought from the center line, and then upwards onto this reference line again. And then we rotate these dimensions around onto our blade and on again. And now the next step is that we bring these dimensions down onto our vertical dimensions. And we do that for all of our lines. And then we can see where the position of the profile is. So we start off here, and then we go up and across, and we can draw that line in. That's the line of our profile, and then we can finish it off just by drawing the rest of the blade in. And that's it.